Now I'm gonna show you how to maintain the SSR4. It's very simple. It's basically just cleaning the barrel and a little bit of disassembly. So let's get started. First, here we see this Allen key. We have to take that out. Just unscrew it and set it aside. Now you want to get this pin out. So you just push it out and remove the pin. Now you will be able to separate the body. Just like that. Now you can take out the barrel. And now we have an easy access to clean the barrel. For that, we will use the maintenance kit. And here we have the cleaning rod. You can really use any cleaning rod. Doesn't need to be this one. But here you have everything already in the box. All right, it is long enough. Now we need to prepare the patches. Gonna fold it once and cut nice thin stripes about 1/2 centimeter thick or wide. Now take one of those patches, put it in and put a bit of alcohol on it. If you put too much, no worries, just roll it on this patch right here, and now we can clean the barrel. Make sure that you don't put too much force here. If it doesn't want to go in, you have to decrease the hop up. But also it's good to have a little bit of tension on the hop up so that you can clean the bucking nicely, because the bucking is what's mostly responsible for the accuracy. If it's clean, it's gonna be consistent. Run it through the whole thing. Just like that. Okay, we see that there was quite some cleaning to be done. Remove it, and now just do it again. I'm gonna increase the hop-up tension a little bit. And run it through again. And as we can see, the patch came out cleaner. Now I will do it one more time, just so that the patch, when it comes out, it's 100% clean. Then you can be sure that the barrel is nice and accurate again, also with the patch. Now we can put it back in, just slide the barrel inside. Just like that. It should be spring-loaded, just like this, which pushes it onto the gearbox so that there is nice seal. Here be careful, don't force anything. You will have to slightly remove the window. And now there is a notch right here, so you have to get it over. And now again, it won't want to go all the way back, so you have to pull this back, the charging handle, and now you can easily close this thing. Now the last thing to do is to put the pin back all the way and put the screw back in. And that's it. You are done with the basic maintenance. You could do it from here. You could clean the barrel, but I don't like that solution because you are basically pushing all the dirt onto the bucking, and there is no good way to clean the hop-up chamber. That's why I like to take it out. It's not too hard. As for maintenance, that's really it. This is your regular maintenance. You don't really need to do anything with the gearbox. If you do, we will show you everything, how to disassemble completely the gearbox to the last screw in the following videos, but I wouldn't recommend doing that unless you are experienced tech. In any case, if you need it, you have the complete disassembly and assembly in the next videos.